RockStopperz kit includes a pre-mixed cleaning solution. If your vehicle is clean, you can use it to prepare the painted surface for the installation. Please note, if your vehicle has any special waxes or ceramic coatings, they will need to be removed before installation, as they may prevent the film from adhering. Clean the painted surface with your cleaning solution and microfiber towel, and then dry the edges. Make sure your hands are clean and dry. Begin to peel the protection film from the liner. Try to only touch the side of the film that will wrap to the inside of the door to avoid visible fingerprints in your film. Align your film piece with the body line. Begin tacking the film down with your thumb while guiding the direction of the film with your other hand. Do not put too much tension on the film while doing this step. When working around curves, you will need to increase the tension by stretching the film piece as you guide it around the curve. You can pull back and reposition if your alignment is running off. Once you have passed the curve, be sure to reduce the tension on the film for your final section. Once the outer face is completely tacked down, begin rolling the film around the edge until your door edge is completely installed. Repeat the process for the other doors. Your protection film kit also includes extra pieces